Hello gardening friend, it is the 31st of July. Time to do the July garden tour, or it's not going to be July anymore. Camera guy left me, he went to the beach, so he said I'm going to have to do it on my own. So we'll see what happens. There's lots of mosquitoes out here, and they're fast too. Look at that. You know the best way to kill mosquitoes though? You move your leg, or wherever the mosquito is, towards your hand. Otherwise, they're really quick and they'll get away. There's one down here on my leg. Where is it? Where is that mosquito? There it is. So I move my leg toward it and then slap, and I got it. Oh, I don't like mosquitoes. All right, there's another one. Maybe you'll be able to see this one better. Move it towards my hand as I slap. There's another one. Okay, sorry about that. Let's get on with the garden tour. Turn the camera around and we'll see what's growing. Alright, I'm starting here in the bottom of the garden. Sort of in the garden a little bit because I wanted to show you my watermelons. There's some sugar babies. Here's a little sugar baby. There's some smaller ones. That was actually my biggest one so far. And they look like they're starting to grow. We're finally getting some rain here. It was so dry, things were starting to dry, and I was actually coming out with my hose and watering things. All right, so here are some Everglades tomatoes. They're little small little tomatoes, and but the plant does really well in the heat and humidity. Okay, here's the lower tomato wall. The tomatoes have not been doing well because it's been so hot. They haven't been even setting fruit. That one has some sun scald on it. Looks like some sun scald. Might even be some blossom end rot, but it's not quite at the blossom. But the tomatoes haven't been setting fruit because it's been so hot, and I got them out a little bit late. But now, since it's cooled off a bit and we've got some rain, they are setting some fruit. So hopefully we'll get some fruit by next month's tour. I mean, I've got a few tomatoes, but not that many. Not doing that great. All right, here's some peppers. Peppers are doing great. There's some banana peppers. I think this is probably a chili. More chili. Also has some pepperoncinis. My wife likes these in her salad. Might have to put them in some vinegar so that she'll like them though. I didn't do a great job of labeling where I put my pepper plants this year, so I'm not sure exactly what they are. These look like a big old chili there. All right, there's some arugula. The things that are growing pretty well. Look, here's some more of the Chinese jade bean. They are a long bean. Look how long these things are. This is when you want to pick them, when they're like a foot or so. I've been eating them raw. I haven't tried any cooked yet. We went away for vacation. I told my neighbor to pick them, and he said he couldn't find them. So they didn't get picked. So they got really, really big, too big to eat. And then we came back from vacation, and I had to pick them all and throw them away because they were too big to eat. Look at this one. That one's getting to about where it is too big to eat. I should take that off so the plant won't stop producing. There's the other side of my watermelon trellis. And there's actually tromboncino squash growing up over there. Here's some more tromboncino squash. The moringa tree is about 6 feet tall now. I think last month it was 3 feet tall. So it's doubled in size in about a month. Okay, let's go look at the other peppers. Oh, here is an apple tree. Got some apples on it. It's probably more apples than I've gotten before. Here's another pepper location. I did try to do my hot peppers here. So there's some jalapenos. Some more pepperoncinis. More chilies. We'd have a banana pepper in here as well. I ate most of the peppers off of there though. All right, let's go around the other side here. There's a strawberry patch. They're growing, getting ready for next year. There's some cucumbers. Cucumbers haven't been doing much either in the heat. They're starting to recover now with the rain we've gotten. Have gotten a few cucumbers off of, there's a whole trellis here, it's cucumbers. So they are starting to produce. I actually took some seeds off of some radishes and threw them down on the ground. So I have some radishes that are starting to come up. Looks like they're getting a little pressure, something's eating them. That is actually horseradish there, the big tall stuff. I have a few basil plants scattered around the garden. There's one there, one there. Some carrots I put in there. There's some more basil going to seed. I need to get rid of that as quick as I can. Need to trim it down so it'll start bushing out more, producing more. That's peppermint, which I love for teas and stuff. I also planted some lettuce just to see how it would grow, and it actually came up. I was sort of surprised that it came up as well as it did. I have some wire over it to cover it. There's some there, and there's some over there. I have some onions over here that went to seed, so I actually saved the seed. There's a whole bundle of seed in there. I'll pick that when it's dry. The persimmon tree has some persimmons on there. There's a nice little persimmon. So it's got a good bit of persimmons hiding in there. Some more arugula down here. Planted all along here. I think I planted some cilantro in here already too, from seeds that were just on old plants that had gone to seed. There's a pretty big rosemary plant. The goal of my channel is to give you information to help you become a better gardener. So let me know how I'm doing in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It's still free. All right, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. We'll see you again real soon.